Hello everybody, my name is Caroline. Thanks for joining me for this video on Echo Auto today. And what is Echo Auto? Well, it is in your car. And that reminds me, please put your devices on mute, as I will be using the wake word frequently in this video. This video is a full unboxing of what you get with the Echo Auto. Now, I did apply for the beta program or the whatever program it was. I did pay the regular price for these items. I did not receive this for free. I'm not sponsored. I'm not endorsing this Echo Auto product either. I'm just featuring it on my channel as it is a new item, and I have had questions about it on my channel. Let's get started. And when I purchased it, the way it came is this is the air vent mount and this is the actual Echo Auto itself. And I didn't see a way to just purchase one or the other, and I really just didn't know how I was gonna attach this to my device without the mount. Now let's start with an unboxing, and I'll start with the mount. Oh, there's a tear tab, and let's see what's in this box. All right, this is air mount literature, and this is the device covered in plastic. And I guess it turns. Okay, that's what it's trying to tell me. And I'll just pull off the tab, pull off all of this plastic. Okay, now this is item number one, the vent mount. Next, let's open the actual device itself. And there's a pull tab. And then let's pull it out. Okay, let's see, and yes, there, the first piece just fell out. And then, okay, this is the device itself. And of course, there are wires. And there is the literature and things to try, of course. And I just want to note that the car adapter has two USB ports on it. I'm assuming that way it lets you charge your phone while you are using your Echo Auto. Wow, this device is tiny. So this is the Echo Auto itself, and then take off this piece. There it's, I think this is adhesive. Let's see, let's look at the literature here. Okay, so it goes over what's in the box, plug in your Echo, and then download the app, and then we'll start it up. This end actually goes on your air vent mount, and then I'm assuming that this just fits right on it. So I guess I don't need this unless I'm going to adhese this to my dashboard or something. And it's kind of magnetic here. It's the way it sticks in. So let's take this into my car and get this set up. Hey, we're in a car now. We are going to try out the Echo Auto right now. So I'm going to plug it into my air conditioning vent right now. And I'm just going to push it in right there. So I guess this is how it works. We need to power it up. My car is on. So this is the adapter here. Plug that in to my cigarette lighter adapter. And then we'll plug that into my device. Hopefully that works. If you're using an aux cable, then you would plug it in like this into the auxiliary jack of your car. That's one method. The other method is Bluetooth. Let's do this on auxiliary first. So I'll start a screen record on my phone. And my understanding is I need to open up the Amazon Alexa app in my phone. And I'm going to set up a new device. And I'm going to hit the plus button in the top right hand corner to set up a new device. And I'm going to hit add device. And I am going to select an Amazon Echo device, and I'm going to select Echo Auto. Do not set up Echo Auto while driving. And do I have a dash mount? Yes. I'm going to position it in the air vent, which I've done. Continue. And it sees my Echo Auto. All right, excellent. And I'm going to hit continue. And then it says select an accessory, and there are no accessories. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it now. Echo Auto. Select that, and we'll see how this goes. Can you connect to your phone with Bluetooth to play music? I'm going to select yes. And so it asked me to disconnect my auxiliary cable. Okay, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to test the connection on my car stereo. Okay, so now I'm going to change my audio to Bluetooth audio. All right, I've connected my Bluetooth audio of my phone to the car. And I'm going to tap continue to proceed.
Your device is ready.
Wow, look at that. Okay, yay, my device is ready. Excellent. And it says, welcome to Echo Auto. This short video will walk you through some basics to get started. Oh boy, let's watch a video.
Welcome to your new Echo Auto. Getting started is easy. Before each drive, set your car stereo to your chosen input, either auxiliary or Bluetooth. Then turn up your phone volume and car stereo volume to a comfortable level. That's it. Your voice is now in the driver's seat. Just say the wake word, wait for the chime, then ask to play music, find the nearest gas station, or make calls.
Here's a playlist you might like.
She's always getting smarter and adding new skills. You can use skills to make restaurant reservations, play games, or listen to podcasts. Use your voice to control compatible smart home devices while you're away. You can even set up location-based routines, like turning on lights, to start automatically when you get close to home. Welcome to your new Echo Auto.
Okay, so we watched a short video now. I'm going to hit continue. And okay, I'm back to my regular screen. And I believe if, let's see, if this, hopefully this will stay. This is the mute if I don't want to trigger. So let's try a few commands here. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:45 p.m.
Okay, that works. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. The Primetime Emmy Awards will be handed out tonight in Los Angeles. But if you can't wait that long, ask me, who's going to win an Emmy, and I'll give you my predictions.
We're going to try navigation. Alexa, navigate to Moe's Southwest Grill.
Would you like directions to Moe's Southwest Grill on 85 5th Street Northwest in Atlanta?
No.
Sorry, I couldn't help. Try asking again with more details like a neighborhood or street name.
Alexa, navigate to Moe's Southwest Grill on Ponce de Leon Avenue.
Would you like directions to Moe's Southwest Grill on 863 Ponce de Leon Avenue in Atlanta?
Yes.
You'll need to tap the notification on your iPhone to start directions, when it's safe to do so. If you don't see a notification, you can turn these on in your iPhone settings.
All right, and here it is. Okay, the notification did come up. Pull down to my notifications. It says open for directions. And it is using the Apple Maps to navigate me. So I guess I need to hit go, and then it's going to tell me how to get to Ponce de Leon. Okay, we are driving down the street, and we'll see if she navigates us. Okay, I guess not. It's not telling me to turn right. Okay. We're going down the street. We are following the Apple Maps to our lunch location. It has a ding before every time I need to take a turn. It does not speak to me. I think it just triggers opening Apple Maps versus giving me turn-by-turn directions. So that is a bit disappointing for me. But while I've got this on, I might as well, play some music. So Alexa, play The Only Girl from my library.
Here's The Only Girl from your library on Amazon Music.
And now we're going to try to make a phone call. Alexa, call Paul Dunn.
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Okay, so the phone calls seem to not work. Okay, that is not very good either. All right, so we haven't made any calls, and it just opened Apple Maps when I try to navigate. So this experience has been a little bit disappointing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.